Managing budget and finances from paycheck to paycheck as a working mom is no easy feat, we all know that. But what if I told you, there are smart investments out there that can make your life easier while securing a better future for you and your family? Hi everyone, I'm Frankie from the Mothership. As a Filipino working mom myself, I understand the struggles and sacrifices we make to provide for our families. That's why in this video, I want to share with you 5 smart investments that will not only give you a bit more peace of mind, but also help improve your quality of life. I know videos like this will help you on your journey as a working mom, so hit the like and subscribe buttons. Click on the notification bell too, so you won't miss out on fresh videos I post on my channel. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's make our hard-earned money work for us. Moms, it's not ideal to live from one paycheck to the next. The reality is that most Philippine households cannot live on one stream of income alone. It's simply not enough to achieve all our financial goals. While most of us live on minimum wage, setting aside a small amount to invest can make the world of a difference in your financial situation. That's why we need to explore smart investments for us Filipino working moms. These are opportunities that can help grow our money and secure our future. Let's check them out. GCash is one of the go-to cashless payment platforms in the Philippines that offers an investment feature called GFunds. GFunds allows you to invest your money in different funds such as stock market index funds, bond funds, and money market funds. For as little as 50 pesos, you get access to these funds even if you're on a tight budget. That's right. You get to decide on your risk appetite, so whether you're a conservative or aggressive investor, GFunds has something for you. Plus, the platform provides regular updates on your investment's performance, so you can track your progress effortlessly and make adjustments whenever necessary. When you think of pag-ibig, I'm sure the majority of you think of short-term loans and housing loans. But did you know? One of the smart investments for Filipino working moms is the Pag-ibig MP2 program. This government-backed program is a 5-year maturity savings facility that offers higher dividends for Pag-ibig Fund members, including pensioners and retirees. Once you enroll either online or at the Pag-ibig branch nearest you, you will be given an MP2 savings account. For a minimum of 500 pesos for each remittance, you can start growing your savings with Pag-ibig MP2. The best part is that you have the flexibility to choose how much you want to contribute and how often. Whether it's a monthly contribution or a lump sum payment, you have the freedom to tailor your investment strategy according to your financial goals and capabilities. Plus, your tax-free dividends payout schedule can either be annually or after the 5-year maturity date compounded annually. Hang on. What does compounded interest mean? Compounded interest is the interest that is calculated not only on the initial amount of the principal money you invest, but also on any interest that has been previously added to the principal. In other words, it's interest on interest. For example, your initial investment for 1 year is 5,000 pesos in a program that's set at 5% per annum or per year. That means, on the second year, you will have a total investment of 5,250 pesos. This amount will be the basis of your interest in the third year. 5% of 5,250 is 262 pesos and 50 centavos, so your total investment for the third year will be 5,512 pesos and 50 centavos. Get the picture? Investing in real estate properties is a big decision. It takes a lot of time and money to choose properties that can generate a steady income. But what if I told you there's a smarter way to invest in real estate without the hassle and hefty capital requirements? Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are like a stock corporation that owns income-generating real estate assets, such as apartment buildings, hotels, office spaces, and resorts, to name a few. When you invest, you get returns from the rental income and other fees generated by these real estate assets. These returns are distributed as REIT dividends in the Philippines. The best part is that you become a part owner of these real estate properties without having to invest a significant amount of capital or purchase the real estate asset itself. Pretty cool, right? Now, like with any investment, there are corresponding risks if you go with REITs. But the nice thing about investing in REITs is the easy entry and exit. Unlike traditional real estate, where your money is tied up with a single property, REITs enable you to trade shares on the stock market, providing liquidity and portfolio flexibility. For a minimum investment of 5,000 pesos, the potential rewards can be quite substantial. This right here becomes one of the smart investments for Filipino working moms. Ask yourself, do I have that entrepreneurial spirit to start my own business? Well, let me tell you. If you try to answer that right now, you might end up realizing that you don't. What happens next? You lose the chance of embarking on a journey that could have transformed your life. As a Filipino working mom, you already have a unique set of skills and experiences that can be leveraged to start your own business. One avenue to explore is the world of e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, there are endless opportunities to create an online store and sell products or services that cater to the needs of your target market. Whether it's handmade accessories, clothing, or even digital products, the possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Another option is to consider franchising a food business. Successful franchises in the Philippines offer flexible business models that cater to busy working moms. From fast food chains to coffee shops, various options are available that provide steady revenue with the support of an established brand. You can also venture into being a life insurance agent, where you can provide financial protection to individuals and families while earning commissions. There are so many companies that offer multiple plans. Sun Life, AXA, Pru Life, and Manulife are just a few examples of reputable insurance companies in the Philippines. The gig economy is booming, and freelancing is a great way for Filipino working moms to tap into their skills and expertise while having the flexibility to work from home. I myself have been doing ghostwriting for over 5 years. It's a side hustle that has provided me with additional income while allowing me to juggle my responsibilities as a working mom. If you have a knack for writing, drawing, or designing, becoming a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork can be a great way to earn income. Many businesses and individuals need quality social media content for their niche audience. And with AI technology, you can leverage your skills to provide valuable services remotely. As long as you have Wi-Fi and a computer with reasonable specs, this side hustle can be one of the other smart investments for us Filipino working moms. I hope this video gave you some ideas on where to start investing your hard-earned money. But moms, I know you want to know the best tips in investing. I created a video for that, and you can click on the screen to know more. See you on the next video, moms. Don't forget to like and subscribe.